Hi everyone, this is Sanjana from Mockat, and today I'm back with a new series that's inspired by you. Now, as someone who's graduated from IIM Lucknow and someone who coaches for CAT, there are a lot of questions that I've got from our students and many of you which are not around the prep. These are general doubts about MBA. So, questions like, how to get into an IIM? What is it that they look at aside from CAT? Will I be selected with my profile? A lot of people have worries if they are a fresher, if ECATs are low, there's a gap, or, other things related to these. How can I pay the high fees? I've heard that IIMs charge about 20 lakhs. Can I even afford it? Should I even take it up, right? Should I opt for a B school where the fees are low, or should I just go for a job instead? What specialization should I choose? And I think the primary reason for this is, of course, lack of information. And by that, I don't mean that the information is not there. I mean that the information is there in many different places. So if you want to know what IIMs look at, for example, right now there are 21 IIMs. Typically, each of them has different criteria. So you'd have to go into, multiple IIM websites and find out. And then there are so many more MBA colleges. And sometimes finding this information is also not that easy. There's not one consolidated place where that information is there. But paradoxically, the other reason is actually too much information because if you are an MBA aspirant, then if you go onto the internet, so on websites, on YouTube, on social media, you will get a lot of information and a lot of opinions, right? From MBA grads, from those who are doing MBA, from people who are maybe not in the business, but they're coaching for something else and they have an opinion. And then you have friends and family, and that's a whole different ball game altogether. So I would say that there's also a lot of noise around, and that is also something which could be confusing some of you. So what I'm aiming to do over here is to make this YouTube channel and this particular playlist one place where you can access all of this information. And we're going to start with these questions. But we're also aiming to answer all the questions that you have. So just add all the questions that you have in the comments, and we'll try our best to answer every one of those, right? So just stay tuned. Definitely subscribe if you haven't, and look out for this series. We'll aim to put out a few videos a week for sure. And if you're serious about your CAT prep and you want to prep with 99.9 plus percentilers, then visit mockcat.com or call us on the number that you're seeing on the screen in front of you. All the best.